Lord Banks FX. Lord Banks FX welcomes you to this live stream of live Forex trading. A whole 3 hours of news.
We begin with that wild ride on Wall Street.
You're seeing new record highs on the S&P and NASDAQ.
Interviews.
Some will make money, some will lose money, but that's just the way the markets always work.
Analysis. And live trades. So sit back, lock in, and load up your trading terminals. And let's get this rocket to blast off. Introducing your host, Lord Banks FX. Prepare for launch in 3, 2, 1.
Yo, what's good, everybody? Welcome back. Welcome to Lord Banks FX. I'm your host, Lord Banks. And you guys can't see my charts, can you? I wonder what's going on here. Alright. Can't see you, can't hear you. Just kidding. Oh, man. Tripping me out. Alright, you guys should be able to see my charts. One thing I need to fix here. Alright, guys. Everything should be good now. You guys can see my screen, right? Can see my screen and can see my charts and my video, right? Alright, just making sure. This was from last week. So let's go ahead and clean it up. Remove everything. Clean charts. You know how I do. Top-down analysis, no indicators, no foo-foo. All right. So, looking at the monthly here, last month, it looks like we created that little level of support here. It came and tested here, breaking previous month's lows already. We have just about a little over a day left in the month's candle. Looks like it's closing with very small body candle. Could be a doji here, an indication of price reversal or continuation, you know. So this just is an indication of price exhaustion, right, of going up and down. Morning, CJ. What's good? Let's see here. Looking at the weekly. I mean, the past few weeks has been ugly. I mean, moving overall to the downside, but just ugly. Last week we closed bearish. This week so far we have 3 days left in this week. I mean, it's just the beginning of the week, but we're already bullish. So could see that to continue to the upside. Let's look at the daily. Yesterday's daily candle closed bullish engulfing. Engulf 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 different trading days here. Just kind of engulfed all of that right there. Today's candle is already pushing down to the downside. It could be just creating that bottom wick before it continues up to maybe test these levels up here around 162.765. Maybe fill the wick. Let's look at the 4 hour. In the 4 hour, we'd like to establish our zones, tops and bottoms. These zones are referred to many different things: supply and demand, support and resistance, whatever you want to call it. It's not a specific price point, but more just an area of where there is multiple price reactions. And we do that on the 4 hour. Move down to the 1 hour just to refine it just a bit here. Just a bit. Make sure I'm capturing all the areas of interest. Seeing those multiple touches. Now move down to the 15 minute. On the 15 minute, we like to establish our breakout range. Okay. And this is an area of support and resistance on the 15 minute of most current price. And then we like to measure what our potential gain could be breaking out either up to the upside or the downside. See if it's worth it. About 18 pips right there. I'll take it. Second target would be right up here. Third target would be right over here. Looking lovely. 35-second target and about 46 for the third. Now if we break to the downside here, probably best to look somewhere around right here. This might not be worth it right here. About 8 pips. No. So move down just a bit more here. Breaking down below here. Got about 15 pips there. Could be potential. We'll decide when the price moves down. Second target's there. And third target there. All right. So we got our range identified here. Let me go ahead and label this chart. All right. And we go ahead and set an alert once per the bar closes. This is, oh, sorry, potential buy. And this would be an alert crossing down once per bar closes. Potential sell. Okay. And actually, let me go ahead and oh, 162, 165. Remember, guys, I'm not just going to take a buy or a sell once it gets to that price. I'm going to read the price action and wait for the candle to close. All right, let me send this chart out. Sending the chart out to the Telegram, free Telegram. Sending the chart out to the free Telegram. That is GJ. That is GJ that we just marked up. Gonna go ahead and send out the chart out to the chat, YouTube chat. All right, so GJ is sent. Morning Cypher, morning Rajan, Foster, TK, Arcats, Iron Man, what's good? Frederick, Joey, Dylan, what's good? Morning, my brother. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's move forward here. Let's look at gold. Go ahead and remove everything. Top-down analysis, clean charts, straight price action, no foo-foo. Looking at the monthly, I mean, we're pushing down. Looks like here we did not even respect this level of support. Maybe coming down to test this level down here around 1702. Potentially fill this wick here. We got just a little over a day left on the monthly candle. Previous 1, 2, 3, 4 months has been bearish. Let's move down to the weekly. Weekly, we see some really nice price action here. structured to the downside, downtrend. Let's look at the daily. Yesterday's daily, we actually closed a doji here. Potential sign of reversal. Maybe we're creating the bottom wick right here. Maybe it's going to respect this little level of support and push up. We still got about 15.5 hours left in this daily candle. It's currently pushing down. Right. Let's look at the 4 hour. The 4 hour, we'd like to establish our zones, tops and bottoms, tops and bottoms, tops and bottoms. Tops and bottoms in relation to where the price is currently at. Just areas of interest, key levels, support and resistance, supply and demand, whatever you want to call it, whatever floats your boat. There's no right or wrong in it. Okay. Move down to the 1 hour just to refine just a bit here. Yeah, I like it, I like it, I like it. Okay. Now we're going to move down to the 15 minute. And the 15 minute is where we establish our breakout range. We're looking for areas of clean traffic where we have potential price action to the downside or the upside. Breaking below here, this little level of support, we have this nice clean price action to around this level here. And that's definitely worth it. Yeah, about 67 pips there. Second level would be right about here. About 110 pips. I think our last little level would be right down here. About 132 pips away. And a level to the upside would be above here. First target would be right here, about 30 pips. Definitely worth it, definitely worth it. If we break above here, next level to break would be right above here. Oh, what's going on over here? Oh, you know what? It doesn't even show me. Damn, that sucks. Breaking above this level, we have this level right up there. So second level would be about 41 pips. Third level would be about 78. Cool. So then what we do here is we go ahead and create alerts crossing down once per the bar closes. We want the 15-minute candle to close. Potential sell. And we'll go ahead and put this text here. Potential sells below 1734.140. And then we'll create an alert here, crossing up once per the bar closes. Potential buys. And we'll go ahead and put text here for potential buys above 1736.463. Okay. You see it, you got it. Let me go ahead and label this chart. This is going to be gold on the 15-minute chart. Excuse me. I'm going to send this chart out to the free Telegram. Sent, and sending out this link to the chat on YouTube. All right. Who's ready for the trading day or for the trading week? Gonna have a great trading week. Hey, are you looking at sells or buys? I'm looking at both, brother. I'm gonna let the market decide. Remember, our job as traders is not to predict price. Our job as traders is to react to price. I have a setup in place, just waiting for reaction. Let's see here. What up, Sonny? You can win if you manage to post a USD ZAR chart. What? Awarded. That's funny. I favor USD JPY sells, gold buys today. Let's get it, baby. Are you trading this time of day? I don't know what y'all talking about. Having side conversations, I guess. Where do you see gold going up to? Man, honestly, I don't know, bro. It's not for me to decide. What sort of changes are coming to VIP? More VIP exclusive stuff. The VIP is gonna stay the same, guys. The VIP. There's nothing's gonna happen to the VIP. What I'm offering is gonna be different. So like, if you're in VIP now, you're fine. Like nothing's gonna change. But I'm breaking out like what VIP is now into different smaller groups. But VIP will stay the same. Morning fam, what's good? FX Bounty Hunter, locked and loaded. Yes, sir. So would you consider yourself a scalper? I'm a versatile trader, guys. Like, you know, in these lives that you see me here, I will be scalping because that's the strategy that we're using here. Like this breakout strategy, it's a scalp strategy. It's a quick in and out, trying to get 10, 15, 20 pips. You know, I'm not trying to catch a huge move here. I'm just trying to catch a quick trade live with you guys, showing and sharing with you guys an effective strategy that you could use to be consistent and profitable. You know, with my VIP, I do intraday trades. I do swing trades. Excuse me. So, you know, you could see differences in that, you know, like that style is a different style. So that's why I say I'm a versatile trader, because I can do both. But not a lot of people can switch their cap and say, okay, I'm scalping, or okay, I'm swinging, or okay, I'm, you know, intraday trading, day trading, you know. So it's kind of, for some people, it's just not something that's feasible for them to be able to switch from one to the next, right? So, but in this session, on this live stream, this strategy, yes, it's considered scalp strategy. But would I consider myself a scalper? Among other things. Why you mad, CJ? Why you mad, brother? CJ is pissed. Here, can you hear me better now? Turning up my mic just a bit. Still getting used to the new mic, guys. Still getting used to the new mic. Wait, okay, yeah, that's right. Have to be fluid in the markets. Yeah, exactly, man. Like we do what the market gives us, and we just thank it and come back again the next day, you know? Like, I'm not like sitting here, like nobody's gonna master the markets to you know, be able to know where price is going. Like, you know, if you're like the type that says, oh, I can predict price and where it's going, I think you're full of shit. I mean, you can get lucky, right? I mean, it's either gonna go your way or not. It's like a 50-50. You know. But the thing is I much rather allow the market to do its thing and then just do based on what the market is telling me, right? Like, because nobody is going to control the market. The market is going to do what it wants to do. CJ is mad because I went through and did like 30 charts and he only did like 14. He said because I posted crypto and XRP. I did indices. Dude, I just did my whole watch list, man. I just went down it. Like I said I would do an hour, and I did it all in less than an hour. Oh, that's funny. Why you mad, CJ? Next week I'm gonna post a chart of Tesla. Oh, bro, yeah, I don't do stocks, but I mean, shit, we can get into that world too, baby. You think I'm scared? No, it's all friendly, man. It's all friendly. Like, I just went down the list. I'm not gonna do that every week, right? I just decided to go down the list, give an hour and go down the list. But, I was on the Zoom and I was just focused on doing analysis, and like in a whole less than an hour I did almost 30 charts or something like that. So doing your analysis shouldn't take I know some people are like, I spend hours on a chart. Like, bro, I knocked this thing out in less than 5 minutes. What's good? What's good? All the newbies, welcome. That helped a little bit, but maybe just a tad bit more. Thanks. Oh, the volume. Like, you want me to turn up the volume some more? Let me see. Hold on. I think I can. It's because I have a new little audio interface thing that basically, like, there's two places to turn up the volume. Hopefully that works. That does better. Nice bantering. You can take the W, really. I gotta post my stuff in the chat. It's all good, man. No, I think it's fun, having like somebody else in there posting as well, because I know some of you guys are on different time zones, and CJ is usually, like, when he's sending out the US 30 during the day, I'm either busy or about to go to sleep, about to go to bed for London. So gold chart. This is a gold chart, brother. This is the gold chart. I sent the link out and the copy of the chart in the free Telegram. Quickie is the name of the game. CJ, here's some salt. That's funny. Week of the banks, yes sir. I heard you fine. I don't want you yelling at me. Sorry, my bad. That's better. It's easier to turn it down than trying to hear you. Thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome. Yeah, it's because we're turning this into ASMR trading. That's why I'm keeping my voice low. Keeping that voice low. Oh, today I got a notification from TikTok that I've been banned permanently from doing live streams. How about that?
It's Monday, cocksucker.
You know? Jesus, this is crazy. I'm pretty sure they banned me for life. Well, the reason they banned me for life was because it says adult nudity and sexual activities. I'm pretty sure it's because the last stream I kept talking about the link, to my link tree where it has all the Discord, the free Telegram, and then the paid ones and all that. I kept calling it my OnlyFans link. So I'm almost positive that they were like, oh, this dude is like getting naked on the live stream. So hopefully YouTube doesn't ban me. Those bloody naked charts again. Right. Oh, man. Yeah, give it up for CJ, guys. Homie did... Oh, shit. What's going on here? Yeah, CJ was killing it, has been killing it in the free Telegram. And, damn, I'm trying to find... Oh, there it is. He's been killing in the free Telegram, and he won today again on the US 30 call in the afternoon, if you guys caught that. So, give CJ some love. Round of applause. Round of applause for CJ. Oh, that's what I was gonna do too. Open, yeah, that one. Guess not. Yep. Bar up, bar down. Okay. 650 points after it just fucking melted more and more. Yeah. But it's important not to the goal should not be to catch the whole move, right? Your move lives within that move, right? Your move lives inside of that, right? You want to catch the middle, because the people that are trying to catch from end to end, more than likely you'll end up catching less than you want to, because it's very hard to catch it from end to end. Now, I'm not saying it's impossible, it can't be done. It definitely can be done, but the thing is you're better off just catching the middle. If you can do that, you can win. You can win day in, day out, and if you're winning day in, day out, at the end of the week, guess what? You get to withdraw. So, trust me. Make sure you're not trying to get greedy. You're not trying to catch the whole move. Understand that, yeah, you may leave some money on the table. That will happen. But you know what? I'd much rather leave some money on the table than put some money on the table and not get it back, right? Losing money. If I know one thing, I know you can't go broke taking profits, okay? So make sure you take that money, secure that bag. It's early in the week, especially when you're starting off in the week. Don't take chances. At the beginning of the week is not to take chances. The beginning of the week is to secure a W, right? Secure a W. Get that win in. Nice. CJ milking the Dow. That's funny. Yeah, facts for a Monday. I would say that's a bag. Yeah, hell yeah. Just joined Telegram and Discord. Much love, guys. Much love. Welcome to the family. William Bergsma says, hey, good morning, sir. Lord Banks, it's an honor to be here on your live stream, sir. Please open all the bank zones for us to grab those pips. Yes, sir. That's the goal, right? We're here to make some money. Here to get a win. I want to know if... Can you guys hear the background music? What about now? Let me know if there's a difference now, like if you guys can hear the elevator music. No? Still no? Interesting. I am on gold, bro. What you talking about? This is the gold chart. We on it, baby. Yes. Okay, you guys can hear it now? Okay, cool. Cool beans. I want to know if... Wait, is that too loud or... That should be fine right there. Yeah, starting to fall asleep. It's because I want to know if you guys can hear this. Can you guys hear the clapping? No bottom wick on M15. Yep, no bottom wick. Could just come to retest this before it melts. See how it's ranging right here? Low range, low range. Yeah, clappity clap. Cool, cool, cool. So then that means you guys can also hear. Oh shit, that's not what I want. You guys can hear.
Live Forex Trading with Lord Banks, FX.
Yeah, yeah. Let's get it, baby. Oh, that's a happy ending music right there. Yeah, that's funny. Somebody's been going to the happy ending places. Oh, you know what I forgot to do? I forgot to. Fuck, it's never too late, baby. Never too late. Say what up, YouTube. Say what up. We're live. I forgot to share the link on my YouTube. That's what I forgot to do. I don't know if anybody actually ever joins the live stream from the link here. But we'll share the chart anyway. I mean, we'll share the link anyways. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna put that one song. Damn, CJ, you going off on the fucking chat over here with all these notifications. God did. Yeah, I heard that song, that new DJ Khaled song. He's like, it's a shame. He was like, it's a shame people didn't believe in us. People didn't believe in us. God did. That dude is wild. We got 205 people here on the stream and only 43 likes. Everybody must be new. I'm assuming everybody is new. Because if you're not new and you know, then maybe you should give me a little like. Smash that like button, guys. If you're new here, welcome to Lord Banks FX. I'm your host, Lord Banks. I live trade Forex, commodities, and indices Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, London session. 12 a.m. Central to 4 a.m. Central. Right now we have set up gold and GJ just waiting on price to trigger here. Chart is on the screen. If you're just joining, we already did our top-down analysis on how I came up with the range, the breakout range, the target levels, and our support and resistance above and below. So if you want to check that out, make sure you replay the video to see that. Oh, what? He saw you. What? Good morning. Good morning. Hey, bro, can you look at EURUSD chart and give ideas of interest for buy and sell? Actually, I did that one part of Sunday, and I told you guys it would be a nice buy. It was holding this trend line. I even marked up here, look, this buy. This thing would have been in some really nice profit. And look at this. It pushed up and pulled back down right now. I mean, you would be up about 55 pips right now if you took that. So that means you did not join the Sunday weekly analysis. And that means that you're not in the free Telegram if you're asking for EURUSD, because I marked that baby up. So make sure you join that. Let me go ahead and put the link here. Anyone who look to join here, and FYI, VIP, I'm only accepting members in there to the end of the month because there's some changes coming. VIP people don't have to worry. If you're in, you're in. VIP won't be changing. Just what I'm offering for future people trying to join. I'll put it in here as well. Yo, I found me a video editor today, and I'm excited to get things started. Should be nice. He's gonna be doing like my recap videos of the live stream, so I'll be able to post those on TikTok and Instagram. Since TikTok wants to ban me from the lives, you're only hurting your own viewers. How many YouTube lives you do a week? I try to stream Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. The volume on your intro is louder than your live. Is that right? Well, I don't know. I don't know what to do about that, brother. I can turn down the intro if you want for tomorrow. Naked charts and pole dancing pips unplugged. What? That's funny. Hey, saw yesterday that the president of USA is gonna close Forex. What the fuck, man? Nah, he's not gonna do that. Good morning. Let's get this pips. Yes, sir. What do you think about the gold movement? I think that gold, I think even though with this pump up like this, I think we're still kind of in a bearish movement overall. Like if we're to look at this on a higher time frame, like the 4 hour, you see that we're still overall moving to the downside. I mean, this was a pullback here before it melted again. I think we're either finishing this little pullback and it's consolidating and it's going to break out to the downside, or it may still continue to push up just a bit, maybe test these wicks before it comes down lower. But I think it is trending to the downside. But that really doesn't matter for us, guys. Like, you understand that time frame, 4 hour, like we're talking about a potential swing. We're focused right here. This is where we are. We're gonna go up or we're gonna go down. That's it. You watching Swaggy C story? No, I don't know. I do not watch Swaggy C story. Ronaldo CJ sent out the US 30. Yeah. Hit that like button, peeps. Yes, sir. Hit the like button. Are you live every day? No, I don't trade on Mondays and Fridays, guys. So you won't get a live those days. But Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, those are the best days for me trading wise. I try to be live Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Sometimes, I oversleep. Sometimes I don't hear my alarms, or sometimes I have something going on. And whenever that happens, I try to let you guys know as soon as I know. But obviously, if I don't for some reason let you know that I'm not going to be live and I'm not live, maybe I just slept in, or my alarms didn't go off or something. But I definitely make a lot of effort to be live Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday for London session for you guys. Dude, he's literally showing all of his gold chart right now. Yes, Banks, I will be sending my setups to you this week. Hope you're well. Yes, doing good. What's good, Ben? What's good, man? They didn't believe in us. God did. Liked it twice. Appreciate it. Bagged the Euro USD. Yeah, nice. Who caught that Euro USD off the chart that I sent out on Sunday? I'm curious who all won off that one. Good morning, Lord Banks. Good morning. Good morning. First time watching. Thanks for what you do, Banks. Have you tried your strategy on NASDAQ? I will try out. Yeah. The breakout strategy? No. I don't use the breakout strategy on indices. I use it. It works for any currency and gold, with the exception that gold, you have to understand that gold can spike, right? But I don't do. I don't use this strategy on indices. I have a specific scalping strategy for indices that works phenomenally on US 30, but that strategy I usually only do it for my New York streams. When I do my New York streams, and those I only do them with for VIP. So, and yeah, I'll be going live this week for New York for VIP. So if you in VIP, get ready, baby, get ready, because Banks is back for the New York streams. We're gonna be double dipping. Let's see here. Do you execute trades on MetaTrader 4? Yeah, I use MetaTrader 4. I just switched back to Hugo's Way while I'm trying to figure out what broker I want to use. There's nothing wrong with Hugo's Way. It's just with more scalps, I want tighter spreads. So just looking for the next broker to use. Did you get in on US 30's dump last Friday? Yeah, I don't trade on Fridays, but I saw it. And, you know, I think for me, seeing that on Friday was probably one of the biggest tests for me to be like, I don't get in, you know, because I mean, it was just a melt. And for what people may not know what you're talking about, I'm gonna show you guys. This was Friday. Look at this. Look at this dump. Like, and I had sales marked up on my chart. It was 350 right here. Yeah. So I was looking right here in my setup. I had a sell signal right here for me, but because it was Friday, I was like, I don't trade on Friday. So, but I was like, this is a sell setup. And seeing it the next day, or at the end of the day, I think it was, just melt. Just look at this. Like, this would have been literally the close of that candle. Literally, this would have been a nut and a half. I mean, we're talking about this is 1,371 points. So we're talking about like 13,000 pips. Like something ridiculous. Like this would have been like you could have fed yourself for the rest of the year. It was ridiculous, man. And I really wish I could have caught this, but you know, I think it was the biggest test for me so far to stick to my rules and not trade on a Friday. And but yeah, I just want to let you guys know that I could have caught that. I did get the sell signal on that. I just didn't take it because I don't trade on Fridays. It is what it is. I'm not gonna allow that to change my perspective on my rules and what I should and shouldn't do. So I'm gonna continue to show up and do what I do. Let me go grab a coffee. Need that energy. Get it, brother. Enough respect, man. Appreciate it. or CJ will let you know at 12:30 that I will be doing all charts and not pings. What? Yeah. When I don't show up for the stream, if I don't show up for the stream, CJ takes over by 12:30. How you protect yourself from hackers? How do I protect myself from hackers? By not exposing the secret of how I protect myself from hackers online, so they they don't know how to break into my shit. Nah, I don't know, man. I mean, like on my personal computer, I don't know. That's a good question. I just used regular security. I know. I will give you guys a little story. Back in, was it February or I don't know. It was like a little while back. I have one of my businesses is a full service digital agency, and one of the services that we offer is, creating, building websites and website development for clients and stuff. And I had my servers were hacked, and they began to like insert this code that would redirect website traffic to all of the sites that were tied to my servers. So like all my clients' websites were being redirected to like some like spam, like I don't know what it was, like online dating bullshit, like some nonsense. And it was changing the path, like redirecting them to whenever they were trying to visit my clients' websites. And they had hacked it where they inserted these files, and then they started like changing like passwords and stuff. And so like it was locking me out. It was changing, redirecting the traffic and changing the file structure and all kinds of stuff. And I actually had to hire a web security like consultant to come in and clean it up, and it took him about 8 days to clean it all up and then like reinforce security and like put all these things into place, to prevent that in the future. And like I think he charged me like it was like $500 an hour or something like that, like something ridiculous. I remember it cost me quite a bit, but like now my security, like for my servers and my clients and stuff like that, like all the clients for that company that I own, they're all secured now. And I get like reports, like weekly reports of like, it can track like people that are trying to like hack into or break into like different folders and files and stuff like that. And it just shows me like how many times like people are like attacking, like trying to get into all kinds of the stuff. Like it's crazy. But yeah, man, that's the internet. It's a weird, wild place. Hello, Banks. Do you only use 15 minutes for your trading? I don't only use 15 minutes. I do top-down analysis from the monthly. I execute on the 15-minute. I stay on the 15-minute chart because I've already done my analysis, and I'm waiting for the execution of price and price action of what I'm looking for to happen, right? So it's not that I only execute on the 15-minute. It's that I done my top-down analysis, and I'm waiting for my price to trigger on the 15-minute chart. Makes sense? Y'all make trading even better. Appreciate it, brother. Tonight, New York session. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Remember, guys, too, if you're my VIP and we're trading New York session, we're going to be scalping US 30, guys. But I really, really, really want to nail this point down. If you don't have like minimum $1,500 in your account, like, you should not be trading US 30, because US 30 is a beast and she will move, especially in New York and NYSE open. So like some of you guys jump onto these live streams in New York with a baby account, and you can't even hold the projected drawdown. Like if it hasn't even hit stop loss or it's like maybe a quarter of the way there and you guys are like blowing your account. Like, be very, very careful. That's why I say, minimum 1,500, and that's like the bare minimum. If you can trade US30 on with your broker on like micro lots, which is like 0.01, right? Just be super, super careful with that. Anyone know of trading chat rooms suitable for lads? Yeah, I mean, here, welcome to the show, brother. Lord Banks, did you get a business secretary or assistant yet? I got two virtual assistants, but I'm looking for someone in person that that can be with me at all times, because my schedule is really just getting hectic. What you think about Henkel Trade? Honestly, I don't know about Henkel Trade, but they did reach out to me for sponsorship and like a partnership type of thing. Excuse me, but I haven't tried them out to give my opinion on them, to be honest, and I won't promote anything until I personally use them and whether I believe in them or not. So I don't know as of yet. So, yo, first time here. How long have you been trading for, man? I've been trading since 2014. And welcome. Yeah, a freaking extreme waterfall. Watch NASDAQ, very intense. Oh, on Friday. Oh, wow, that's beautiful. We're all gazillionaires in hindsight, right? 8-minute speeches whipped out over 6 billion from investors. Yeah, shit was insane. Everyone should watch 2 movies, Margin Call and The Big Short. Oh, both good movies. Buy a Fortinet device. I don't know what that is. Wow, not allow. Oh. Young ladies, my daughters. Oh, I see what you mean. Yeah, I mean, there's some females in here, some women traders. Like, I actually know, like, one of the, like, original people that was here when there was, like, 5-10 of us. She started trading and she didn't know, I mean, from scratch. I don't know if she's here today or I know she's in the Discord and in the VIP, but, she started from complete scratch, newbie, didn't know anything about trading, to having $1,000 days and even teaching her like 11-year-old daughter how to trade. So yeah, man, everyone's welcome. Bro, I can do this. You sure can, bro. How long have you been trading before you became profitable? I would say, I think like it took me about 2 years, man. I think into the second year, I started to understand, how to get better and how methodical I had to be. Like, what you have to understand is this, is you're going to go through phases, right? Like, the first phase is ignorance. The first phase of learning how to trade is thinking that you can figure this out off of just watching and real quickly and not have the structure that everyone talks about you needing, right? And whether that structure is, I'm going to be doing this by myself, writing things out, learning my own rules, implementing those, being disciplined, following all that, like, whether it's that or finding a mentor to implement this for you, right? To show you the ropes, to guide you on, look, let me share with you my rules, my lessons, things that I know from my own experience. And when I say from my own experience, guys, I'm talking about like when I've lost in the past, those L's turned into lessons for me, right? So those lessons then get implemented into my strategies, into my consistency, into my routine, my discipline, all of that good stuff that comes from me at some point or another having learned that from losing money, right? And what you have to understand is either you can take the route of finding someone you can relate to that you can trust and learning from them, or doing it yourself, right? The worst thing is, though, in this industry is, there's a lot of really good network marketers that don't necessarily know how to trade, but they know how to sell, right? They sell you a dream. They show you all these fancy cars and stacks of cash and, promise you the world, right? They're just repackaging their dream and selling it to you, right? And people buy into that because that's what they want. Like, nobody comes into this world saying, you know what, I want to learn this skill to lose money, right? We all know why you're here, but you can't, you have to be able to, detach yourself emotionally to that end result and commit yourself to the act of, right? The act of becoming better, incrementally better every single day in the skill set of what trading is, right? That's the only way to get to the point where you're going to be consistent and profitable, right? Don't focus on the money. Very male humor in every chat room. Yeah, I know, man. I hear you. I see that too. Gold check. Well, if gold would have executed, it would have told us. Oh, remember, guys, I was telling you it was pushing up. It looked like it was going to come back down. Look at that. Fat wick. Fat wick. How did you learn trading strategies? Seems very similar to Raja Banks and Controller FX. Yeah, I learned from the markets, man. I don't attribute it to anybody. Like, I've seen different streamers. I've seen that Raja Banks have a stream as well, but I don't I didn't learn from him. Like, when he started trading, I think I started trading around the same time. I just recently started streaming like a year and a half ago. It's been almost 2 years, guys, but before then I was, I had a Telegram and I had a Discord that I was using to, sorry, I'm trying to make sure this is good, that I was using to share with you guys, because I had no intent on doing what I'm doing now. It evolved into this, guys. Like, you have to understand, I just started live streaming because I was bored during London sessions trading by myself. And the people I was trading with, they were like, oh, you should live stream. Like, you're already here with us. Like, just live stream the trades. So here we are, bad speller, sorry. No, you're all good. That is excellent. Thank you. I'm a female too, and on the other side of old though. See, there we go. We got people in here that are women, female traders. Hey, and for female traders breaking into this, like, it's awesome because, this is hugely male dominated, and it can be discouraging for women, female traders. So props to the women out there trading. How to avoid fack out? I think you mean fake out. I would say, bro, you have to get better at learning to read price action, and you want to base it on historical price data, right? And wait for candle closures. Waiting for candle closures for me is probably the biggest assistance you could find in a fake out. Is finding a way to be able to be patient for a candle to close, and then being able to execute, because a lot of times you'll see it start breaking, it could just wick and then come back down and close below and then head the other way, right? So a little patience with waiting for candle closures will help you with the fake outs. Sounds like your MT is going crazy in the background. Oh yeah, there is one. I have multiple ones because I do the challenge services, and I do the challenge services. I do all of those on I do them manually, so and one, which one is it? Come here, gotta find you. The one that is making all that noise. I think it's this one, maybe. I don't know. It's got to be one of these. It's because whenever I turned on, I don't know how I can get it to. whenever I turn on the volume so you guys can hear like those sound effect things, it's the side effect to that is the fact that I don't know how I can make well, yeah, you guys are just gonna have to deal with the noise for now till I can find the one that it is. Yeah, it doesn't. Yeah, unfortunately, it doesn't let me. Anyways, I'll find it and fix it, but I'll have to wait. Losses are the cost of education. Exactly. And that's why I talk about, like, look, I've already paid that cost, right? Like, I've already paid that cost for that lesson. Now, if you want to pay that cost as well, you're more than free to pay for it yourself. I'm just here telling you before you have to pay for it. So maybe I can save you a little money there, right? Whether you want to believe it or not, I mean, it's up to you. And if you don't, you're more than welcome to pay that cost yourself and figure out, teach yourself that lesson that way. Fortinet is a cybersecurity product. Oh, okay. I'll look into it. Check it out. Very discouraging. Yes, thank you for addressing this. You're most welcome. Wait for 1 hour close. Yeah, I mean, I'm trading on the 15 minutes, so I'm gonna wait for the 15-minute candle. Thanks, bro, for the live stream. We, as your subs and followers, learn a lot from you. God bless you, man. You're most welcome, man. That's what I'm here for. So we got GJ breaking out to the top here. We got about 2 minutes left on this candle, so let's go ahead and calculate here what our risk to reward ratio would look like. First target would be right about, oh my gosh, this fucking mouse. So that's definitely, oh well. We want to make sure we're at least 1-to-1 for our first target. If it's less than that, then I wouldn't be getting in. Jesus. Sorry, man, my mouse is like, we got about 1.5 minutes, and it's looking like it might be about a 12-15 pip stop. So I would recommend to go ahead and calculate your stops. Recommend to calculate your risk management, guys. That way you are ready to enter if we pull the trigger here. We got about 50 seconds left. It's right at the line here. Remember, I want the candle to close above the line. So we won't jump in prematurely. We will wait for the candle, to close. And it needs to break and close above the red line. If it does not, then I will not be jumping in. We got about 30 seconds left here, guys. 30 seconds. Right now, I would not be jumping into this. So it might not even be till the next candle, or it might just be a rejection. This is why we wait for candle closure, because this easily could be a fake out here. Being patient. It is 1:14 a.m. We got about 45 minutes before London open. We are in pre-market open, pre-London session. So this candle did not break. This candle did not break above. Maybe it's this candle that's going to break. Just being patient here, guys. The only thing with this candle is there's really no wick to the bottom, which I do not like. And this could just freaking fly. But let's wait. Let's be patient. Let's not assume anything. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. Let's just wait and see what happens. It's a brand new 15-minute candle, so we'll have that 15 minutes. Which fucking MetaTrader is that? Why does it do that? Jesus. I wish. How can I don't know which one it is. might turn this on to see it doesn't. I think maybe it's this one. Let's see here. I like the vibe in here, man. Been watching you for 30 minutes or so, but it seems really chill and cozy in here. Appreciate it, brother. Appreciate it. I'm thinking about opening some CJ services. After USD ZAR chart price, you can do one with 1,000 pip candles. Prove Banks, why you set your potential buys on today's high, but your potential sells is yesterday's previous low, because I'm basing it off of the 15-minute range that it's currently in, and it needs to break out either above or below. CJ says, I ain't touching ZAR. Don't be scared. Wanted to get the bundle boot camp for my daughter, but she couldn't attend, and I didn't know it was recorded. Oh yeah, the bundle boot camp that came with the course, and they came with boot camp and VIP lifetime and one-on-one with me. Yeah, there was only like 10 spots for that though, so thing went by pretty quick. Do you have a spreadsheet with your trades you call out so I can see your win rate, etc.? I don't have it's because the only trading journal I have is the physical one that I have, and that I've talked about multiple times. That trading journal isn't just the details of trades, like, because in my trading journal I journal and document like emotions and feeling and everything that goes into trading, like from the moment I'm waking up, how I'm feeling, setting my intention and all that good stuff, because the psychology of trading is so undervalued, guys, in this industry, and honestly I want to say it's 80 to 90% of what we're actually doing. Damn it, what is that MT4 I keep hearing? So like I document this stuff, and a lot of times, oh shit, maybe it's this one. A lot of times, like I have that in my journal, and I don't want, I'm like, not that I don't want to share it, but you know, it's private and personal, right? Like, so I don't really want to put that out there, right? It's like if I had a therapist and I just shared my, you know, records and files with you guys, which, you know, I got nothing but love for you guys, but at the same time, you know, it's a little private, looking into, you know, mindset type of thing. But yeah, and if you guys hear that noise in the background, the MetaTrader, it's just me trying to adjust sound settings, just to get rid of that. Okay, look, we got about 9.5 minutes left here. Wick is created to the downside. Wait for this candle to close, see what it closes like. Gold is still ranging. Oh, we could have a break to the downside. Dang it, where's our first target? Oh shit. First target is way down here. Nice. We'll see how this closes. Anyways, Yeah, so if you're looking for my win rate, guys, I'll tell you I like to average around 80-90%, right? I've had times where, I'll have maybe a couple of losses in a row, but I usually don't have more than 3 losses in a row. Usually after 3, I kind of reset. But, I have also gone on like massive win streaks. So, yeah, and if you want to calculate that, like my lives are on YouTube, you can go back and look at those. I will say last week, when we went live for London session, I think we won 2, and then Thursday was a no trade day. We didn't have a trade set up, so we didn't even take a trade. But that same day, I sent out afterwards on New York session a GJ call that was for VIP, but I sent it to I shared, because I do one freebie a week with the free Telegram, and I sent it out to the free Telegram, and I mean, she was a banger. She was a banger, because we got, what was it? Yeah, it was GJ. It was a buy. It hit TP1, TP2, and TP3 for 90 pips, which was really nice. That was an intraday trade, right? So that's an example of what an intraday trade is like. All right, guys, we got 261 people on the stream, only 95 likes. If you're new here, welcome to Lord Banks FX. Thank you so much for being here. Appreciate it. Consider subscribing, hit the notification bell so you're notified when I go live. I have a schedule that I try to stick to, which is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 12 a.m. Central to 4 a.m. Central Standard Time, London session. Obviously, I'm not trading the entire London